Let's go to Turks and Caicos. I'm taking you through our full trip, starting with night one, going to the Del Mar restaurant, the food, the vibes, live music, great Instagram photos. It was amazing. Next day, we woke up bright and early and we made our way over to 7 Stars Resort and Spa, where we had a full day of lounging around, going to the beach, going to the pool, eating great food, having great drinks being delivered right to where we were sitting. Even if you're not staying here, come bright and early and ask if you can get a day pass. It's well worth it. I promise you'll have the time of your life. And although we were so set to go, we had to make our way over to the local fish fry that happens every Thursday with live music, amazing food, good people, and just a great time. The next day was definitely one for the books. Listen, I'm not a golfer, okay? I just put a cute outfit on and act like I am. My husband, the designated bag holder over there, yeah, he's the one who loves to golf. So if you have a golfer in your life, go ahead and check out the Royal Turks and Caicos Golf Club. You will have a great time whether you're an avid golfer, a beginner golfer, or you're just there for the vibes, good times, and the drinks like I am.
You're like a little cutie, didn't you?
Ready to play?
Yes. A golfer.
Did that go in the water? I'm sorry, it's just the TikTok we made was about that.
So what do I do? Just aim for the pond?
No, you're not supposed to hit it into the water.
But you hit it into the water.
I know I hit it into the water.
Well, why do they even have water if you're not supposed to hit it there?
Because it's fun! We're having fun! Ah!
You're doing great. Proud of you. I don't think I've ever been to a golf course this beautiful, and everywhere you turned, it got even better. Did you get it? Oh, that was close, right? I kind of want to see where it landed. Where is it? While he's looking for that, this course is so beautiful. Look at that. How beautiful is this? Wow. Yay! Woohoo! That's my man. All right, next one. Right? 18th hole is done.
Feel great. Shot mid-90s, so not too bad.
Me, I shot lots of TikTok videos. I shot a lot of great photos, and I had a nice time driving the golf cart. Oh, thank you. I worked so hard today.
I know it. It was hard.
Okay, well, we're just gonna stick with this one. After lunch, we made our way over to our excursion, and my tip would be to book your excursions way in advance. It would just be so much better, save you a lot of time and heartache. We did a boat excursion that took us to the Shipwreck, it took us to Noah's Ark, it took us to, oh, my yacht. Say hello, wave goodbye. And it was just such a great time with great people. Everyone was really kind and cool to vibe with no matter where you went or what you did on this island. So there's a Shipwreck and there's Noah's Ark. A time was had, honey. A time was had. Afterwards, we were so exhausted, but we made our way over to Mr. Gruber's because we heard so much about it and it lived up to the hype. The next day, we woke up bright and early because we had, yes, another excursion planned, and that was jet skiing. We jet skied from the beach all the way to the Shipwreck. And at this point, I was thinking, if I fall off of this thing, are there sharks here? But I didn't fall off, and it was great. They took us to a secluded island, which was just beautiful. I mean, I was just taking it all in. I'm still so grateful for this trip. Afterwards, we had to go back, change quickly because we had a 2-hour champagne catamaran cruise lined up. I just called to say I love you.
This house right here after you pass those rocks, owned by Sean White. Next door to Sean White is 52 acres, $25 million project. That is all owned by Drake.
What did the captain keep saying? We're here for a good time, not a long time. And we stayed until the sun went completely down. It was well worth it and very relaxing, but also very fun. The drinks were flowing, the vibes were vibing, and look at that beautiful sunset. Wow. Afterwards, we had dinner at Ember's and the service was amazing, but the food could have been improved on a little bit. However, I'm going to show you 3 places that we absolutely swear by. Number 1, beans and leaves, breakfast, croissants. Oh my gosh, everything was amazing there. Next place, Crackpot Kitchen. When I tell you I've had the best lambs right there. If I could have ordered 2 or 3 plates of those, I would have. Last place. I'm just gonna put the title of the restaurant here because I don't know how to pronounce it correctly, but the seafood boil. No words. I'm still dreaming about that seafood boil, by the way. If you're enjoying these kind of vacation, time off, resetting vlogs, let me know by liking this video and leaving me a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time.